What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel, Total Technology. So, this is going to be Active Directory tutorial. Let me check one thing quickly. This is going to be part 9, I believe. Okay, let me just quickly check it from my. I'm not sure. Uh, yes, I think this will be part 9. Let's say tutorial 9. Actually, I forgot to like discuss one thing last week. Like this is going like in this in the last episode we said we actually seen we have seen like how to update and remove or append attribute like for a single valued attribute, and we've seen how to deal with the multi-valued attribute. But there is something some other things like whenever we are creating some sort of object, like there are like let's say like we've seen here, like we'd like to like update like you like after creating the object we need to update like multiple attributes on a single by using single like command or execution kind of query. Okay, but till now whatever we have seen here, like we are just only dealing with like only single attribute or only multiple attribute on only one attribute per query. But let's say you're having 5 different attributes and we would like to execute the some sort of query where all the 5 attributes are updated, should be updated like immediately. So let's say updating multiple attributes together. Well, so let me just okay, we'd like to update this one, our favorite thing. So I'll change his first name, I'll change his last name, and I'll give one display name, I'll give one description. Okay, well, fine, I'll do all these things. Okay, first name, last name, display name, and description, I'll give this thing. Okay, so let's go to attribute editor. Thing this is given, let's check his cn first. Okay, so first I think we should generate the object like let's say user is going to be like pyad dot ad user dot ad user dot from cn, and we'll pass the cn. So this is like this is now become our user object, and the object we would like to change. There are like some, let's say 4 or 5 attributes from the object. So let's do it like user dot update, and this time we'll be going to deal with update attribute. So this, you can see, this is going to be like key value pair kind of a thing. So if you guys remember, we did it already one time like before previously. See, we have deal with all these things like optional attribute. This is also kind of key value pair. So this is going to be like this. Let's say I think we need to pass one dictionary. I'm not sure whether it will take in this way or different, but just give a try. Given name, let's say given name is like this. So we'll just give like uh, just Python. Okay, let's one comma like sn means last name. Let's say alam. Let's say Python. Okay, for display name I think there is nothing there, so we'll put kind of Python display name. Okay, I think let's try to run this thing. So hopefully this will be like actually this will update. Okay, let's see. No other thing is required. This is very simple. Let me run this thing. Yes, it's terminated. Terminated means without any error. If it is getting terminated, then it's fine. Then let's check this attribute now. Can do it from here. Say python aslen, python enum, python display name. So this is very simple. So if you have a list of user where you would like to change there something, then you can probably do it very easily. Like you have to just load the csv file, then you have to looping through all the details. This is quite simple, quite natural. Like for all the administrator, those are actually working on kind of L3 or L2 support role. For them actually this is like daily job to deal with all those things. Well guys, I'm not gonna do it like with using this some sort of looping and all, cause there is no point of doing it. Okay, so what I'll do, let me check the user data. Some sort of user data is here, but I'm not sure like this is the right way of doing it or not. Let's say I'm just thinking like, cause all these attributes are already updated. So what I'll do, okay, I will update all this attribute. Okay, by loading from this list. Let's say I will create, I will change their like existing email ID by appending, let's say, okay, I will change two things like first name, last name, and department. Like with every department, I will append Python and first name, last name. So it is kind of like multiple attribute. Okay, so we'll be loading it from CSP and we'll be doing it. Okay, guys. So let me just quickly append this thing. Sorry, comment this thing. Okay, so first let me read from the file actually. Okay, so this is going to be, let me check first everything is there or not. Okay, yes, everything is there. So with open, and I'll be going to read from user data, user underscore data dot csv as f1, then like data equals to csv dot reader f1 delimiter equals to comma, then for row in data, like our cn is actually, let me just quickly go through it. Like this is 0, this is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth. So user id is actually our cn. So this is going to be in the fifth. Cn equals to row 5. Then we'll be like creating one user object using this thing, like pyad dot ad user dot ad user dot from cn, and this is going to be again cn. This is going to be cn, like this thing. Okay, now what are the other attributes we are going to update? Let me just define this thing from here. Like let's say um, first name, last name, and department. So first name is first, second, this is 0, this is first, this second, third. Okay, first, second, third. Okay, so fn, then fn, no, this is not right. Fn This is going to be row 1, row 2, and dep is row 3. Okay, so I will append with Python just at the beginning with for every user. So now the actual thing, like user dot pyad dot, no, this is not right. Like what I'll do here, like I need to append. I'm just thinking, shall I do it here or like some from other, like, okay, I think I can do it here, like pyad dot ad ad. What happened here? No, something is strange. So dot, yes. The thing is that we have like created this thing at the like bottom, I sorry, at the top. That's why now we need to pass the dictionary only. So in our case, this is going to be like given name, and this will be kind of I'm just thinking, let's say Python plus space plus row 1. Oh no, not row 1. This is going to be fn. Okay, we'll do it the same thing. I'm just copy pasting this thing. This is going to be sn. This is also sn, and let's say and this is going to be department, and this is going to be a dep. Okay, so I think this is done. We can like we can do it, like there is no problem in that case. Think we should try this thing. Okay, just checking, yes, everything is fine. The only problem is that we need to define like something. If like if I greater than 0, then only this should happen, or else not, because the first row is our header, we all know. I plus 1, and we'll define I equals to 0. I think this should be okay. I think there should not be any error if I run this thing. Let's run this thing. Okay, it's saying some invalid syntax, like I'm not sure where. I think it is done here. Fn equals to this. I think here, I think only department. I think now this should be okay. Fn from cannot import. Okay, what is this? I'm not sure from where this is coming actually. Let me run this thing. I think I forgot to print this thing, so but actually this is working. Or I think I should stop this thing. Well, I think I should stop this thing because I forgot to print this thing. So let me just put this by Python and by Python, and I will print this thing here. Like let's say I think this is a string. We should try this thing. I think this is working. If you see, well, everything is working fine. Well, 1000 is completed. Let me open any of this random thing. Okay, by Python, we need to check the department, like department by Python. Okay, let's check another random attribute by Python, organization, it's by Python. Let's do it for some other, like by Python. Yeah, this is working fine. So we have checked randomly. Let's take it something from here by Python, and it's like fine, guys. So this is very powerful, and again this is very simple and useful with respect to like on your daily to daily job. If someone is from Coldly Active Directory administrator background, then I think this will be very handy for them as well. You can do it using PowerShell, but again, like Python is giving you such power of doing it. Well, guys, so I think I should conclude the video over here. See, my battery is also not well, so I hope I'll be able to probably able to upload or create some other tutorial by this weekend, and but not sure. I'm doing some other stuff as well, so you guys have to wait for the other Active Directory tutorial. But as I promised, there will be 3 or 4 more tutorials on this thing, and after that we'll be directly going or starting on the reporting or auditing part. Like that will be the most interesting part. So guys, I'll highly recommend you guys to try to do some sort of hands-on or like practice by your own. Just create some sort of exercise from your current assignment, and try to develop something for your company or own project. Try to apply those things. If you're coming up with some issues or difficulties, just do let me know. I'll try to definitely figure it out or help you out with that. So last and most important thing, guys, please subscribe to our channel. Those are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, share our videos, and also if you are enjoying our videos and if it is really helping you in some of your like perspective on your career, plus do let us know, have some sort of positive feedback or comment or like. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for today, and till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice weekend, hope to see you again in the next video.